I'm Larry Ling, and I am the first and only Chief Administrative Officer that UCOR has had. I've been in this industry quite a long time. I have a degree in chemical engineering from the University of South Carolina, go Gamecocks, and started off my career, had a lot of job offers in paper mills because of my degree. Based on my background, I had offers with the CIA. Being a chemical engineer, I did not want to work in a paper mill in Oglethorpe, Georgia or Natchez, Mississippi. I had an offer to go work in Charleston Naval Shipyard in Charleston, South Carolina. Having grown up in Columbia, South Carolina, I thought Charleston would be a great opportunity to start a career. Worked on the nuclear submarine program for about 10 years with the Department of Defense as a civilian. Joined the Department of Energy, went to the Savannah River site and worked there for a year, and was asked to go to headquarters with DOE, was there 3 years. And in 1995, I returned back to South Carolina at the Savannah River site as a Fed. And then I stayed there until decided to come to UCOR. I've actually worked with a lot of people here at UCOR in various capacities throughout my career. You know, there's a lot of people here that I'm getting reconnected with, and I'm looking forward to working with them again and other people in the company. Since this is my first opportunity as Chief Administrative Officer, and my understanding is that this Chief Administrative Officer role is relatively new in the DOE complex. I've only had dealings with another Chief Administrative Officer that was in my former company, and it was a learning experience for him also. I think I'm going to take what I learned there and bring it here and try to make us all more successful and integrated across our business lines, and take that integration over into the customer also. I am married. I have an adult child that graduated and is settled in Washington, D.C. She swears she's never coming back south again. She grew up in South Carolina, so I have to go see her. I used to be a marathoner. I did about 20 marathons until my knees and back gave out. I grew up in South Carolina, but I was actually born in Hong Kong. I'm a first-generation American, proud to be. My uncle is Chinese, and he went to the Southwest Louisiana Baptist Seminary and got out in 50 or 51 and settled in South Carolina. And when we left Hong Kong, we started our path to South Carolina. And my dad was an accountant, a CPA, and he had more opportunities in New York, so I actually spent 6 years in New York. But the South is where I'm from, and the South is where I grew up, and I appreciate the people and the lifestyle. I spent 3 years in DC working, loved the work, loved the food scene, loved the culture up there, but decided that the South's where I needed to raise my daughter.